The Lee Company, headquartered in Westport, Connecticut, manufactures valves that are integral components in products in a variety of industries. You can find them in oil rigs, race cars, aircraft, and medical devices. Innovations in microvalve technology allow patients to better manage pain and deliver medications as needed. Medical equipment functions correctly through the precise applications allowed by Lee valves. Every airplane in the free world probably has Lee components. Some commercial aircraft have over 2,500. They assist in moving the aircraft to the final destination safely. The hydraulic technicians are key to ensuring that the manufacturing process create quality components that do not fail. We will show you what a hydraulic technician does and the path you should follow in high school to become one.
My name is Manny Tonemeyer.
Okay, so my name is Brian Coffey.
So my name is Bob.
Okay, my name is David Little.
I'm Shavannah Gordon.
Okay, I'm Dan Arman.
Hi, my name is Mark Jenkin.
Okay, my name's Elizabeth Welch.
I think just being organized.
I would say communication.
Patience, willingness to learn, good communication skills.
Attention to detail.
I think you need to be able to adjust, be able to work with people.
Organization's key.
Educators are looking more towards, mechanical engineering and mechanics and things like that would help young adults, visualize or what they want to do with their life.
Definitely blueprints, drafting, CAD, SolidWorks if they offer it. I would say mathematics especially.
Math.
Patience.
I would say they just need to be a team player and able to handle pressure, because definitely teamwork makes the dream work here. We all have to rely on each other to do something, and you have to be able to keep up and just keep going.
Do what you like and like what you do. As like I said, as a young adult, sometimes it's hard to choose your path. Sometimes the path chooses you, and sometimes it's just a matter of figuring out what you want to do and what you like.
I mean, anything regarding programming or machinery is always helpful. Tooling, that type of thing.
Mostly high school education. It's a on-the-job training position. You're gonna want to be good at your basic math.
Open-minded. I definitely have to look outside the box.
I am a hydraulic lab technician for the Lee Company. I build, fully functional test, clean, and then ship micro-hydraulic valves for the company. Test them on oil, water, and gas.